Tank coming on now is what the Germans built after the Second World War, using that British L705mm gun. Now in 1955, the Bundeswehr was reformed, the German army, for the first time. They're first kitted out with American vehicles. We want them, of course, to join NATO, the West Germans. We are worried about the size of the Soviet bloc, the Soviet army. We must get the Germans back in the fight, as it were. So they then start their program for what they're going to call the Standard Panzer. They originally...
That was one of the things with Leopards. They
Yeah.
I want to go to the one where they have them up. They try to get it running, right? So they work together with the Israeli army and try to get it running, but they didn't get it yet. And they try to get the heads on, right? This nice little piece. Also, yeah, because